Hey guys, so welcome to Lola. We would love to welcome you guys on board. Myself, Hugo, and Judith, chef.
Nice to meet you. We're here at the UCI boat show and we're based in the BVI for the Caribbean season, and we're really happy to we'll be welcoming you on board.
Yeah, any questions, and of course please do get in touch with your broker, who will be sure to help you out.
We have a yogurt cheesecake with a coconut crumble. I call this a Caribbean Asian walk through the coral with a little coral on the bottom of that plate. There's some mango ginger sorbet, fruits, tropical fruit coulis, and some edible flowers.
It is stunning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy.